Are you struggling with the problem of obesity? And you want to lose that extra pounds of fat and already given a shot to every well-known methods, such as exercising, dieting, etc., and still don't get the results? Then, this video is only for you. Today we are explaining the best miracle plant, which is mostly found in African countries, Central Asia, and in the Caucasus region. The aloe vera gel can help you lose weight fast and naturally. So, first you need to know why aloe vera gel works for weight loss. It boosts your metabolism, detoxify the body, water retention, good for digestion. How to use aloe vera for weight loss? You can use aloe vera in two ways. First, plain aloe vera. Aloe vera can also be consumed in raw. Extract the leaves of this plant, wash them and remove the upper thorny layer of the leaves. Now, take out the gel. Add 1 teaspoon of this fresh gel in a glass of water, and drink this mixture on a daily basis. Second, aloe vera with lemon. Take a fresh aloe vera leaf and cut it thoroughly before squeezing out the juice. Then, mix half lemon juice in a glass of water and add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel to it. Stir the drink for 3 to 5 minutes. Then, consume it. Drink every day on empty stomach to get best results. Thank you for watching. If you find the video is helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel to check out my upcoming videos.